In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can access SRMS Online and how you can find your way around the home page. There are several ways that you can access SRMS Online. From the scheme website, you can click on the green Login to SRMS Online button on the home page, or type the following URL directly into your search bar. Once your SRMS Online account has been activated, you'll be able to type in your MyBTO username and password into these boxes, then click on the green Login button to enter the site. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. You can return here at any time by clicking on Home in the black menu bar at the top. From the home page, you can readily access some of the key areas of the system, either from the black menu bar at the top or via the quick access links in the middle of the page.